Traffic detection is the backbone of modern traffic management systems, easing traffic congestion in cities. Unfortunately, 25% of traffic detection systems are not working at any given time. Why? Unreliable inductive loops are the reason. They're prone to failures. In fact, 7 times more likely to fail, from shifting pavement conditions, vehicle wear, and freezing weather cycles. Or destroyed during road maintenance and utility work. Once a loop is broken, so is your traffic system. What if there was a more robust, reliable, and accurate alternative? That's the big idea behind FlexMag sensors by Sensus Networks. These small wireless sensors install in minutes, not hours. And with no wires to cut or power leads to trench, our system is immune to deteriorating pavement, making FlexMag 30% longer lasting than loops. FlexMag, accurate detection. Tough as a puck.